Hi everyone, today we're gonna make puppy. For this project, I will be using white and black. Pink is optional because I'm gonna make a little ball for this puppy, so I'm gonna use pink. If you don't have pink, you can use any color you like, or you can do it without it. You will also need a 3D printing pen. You can use any brand, any model. Now without further ado, let's get started. Finish our puppy here with a little bow tie here that makes it even cuter. If you like my video, please give me a big thumb up and subscribe for more videos like this. Also check out my YouTube channel, I have tons of videos like this. And if you have any suggestions for my next video, leave a comment down below and let me know. I will try my best to make it happen. Thank you for watching, see you next time, bye! Bye bye!